Hey guys, this is me, Endless Snake, and I am making a video about how to make yourself sneeze on command. Alright, so basically, all you really need is just tissue. Sometimes it goes really fast, and sometimes it takes a long time. Alright, but all you have to do is just twist it. See, twist the end, and then stick it up one of your nostrils, but not like too far, like overly far. And then it's just going to start to tickle. And then you just go like this. Kind of makes me teary-eyed. There you go.